Number 10.
What's up, guys? Now, have you ever been in one of those really annoying situations like this? Or maybe like this? You know that feel, and so do we. That's where Wolson comes in. Wolson is a compact disc brake fingerprint bike lock. Only 220 grams in weight, it's so easy to carry. Wolson locks onto the disc brake, providing durable protection for your bike. And you can use the cable lock for added security. Wolson is fitted with an energy-efficient battery and low power consumption components. A single charge provides up to 3 months of protection. Your finger is the key to Wolson. Just tap and within half a second it unlocks and you're ready to go.
Number 9.
Hey guys, I just want to introduce to you the new DXF. It's a new product for 2021. It's our gold rated Soul Secure DX lock, but it comes with the additional frame mounting bracket. Really simple and quick to fit. It's a bottle cage bosses on the down tube or the seat tube, and it slides in like this. Really simple, really quick, and super easy to use.
Number 8.
Introducing HEXBAND, a new level of portable security and toughness from the makers of the compact, lightweight cinch lock, OTTOLOCK. HEXBAND is made with 6 stainless steel bands and includes advanced materials Kevlar and Santoprene. HEXBAND offers 2.5 times more steel thickness. It's slightly heavier than the original OTTOLOCK and keeps the compact shape the original is known for. HEXBAND features added resistance against shearing tools like snips and cable cutters. Tested against many forms of tools and attacks, HEXBAND has been proven tough and allows for longer duration lockups. Remember, all locks can be defeated by motivated thieves with proper tools, technique, and time. Available in multiple lengths, our award-winning design and portability make it simple to always take HEXBAND along with you wherever and whenever you need it. And it is ideal for bicycle quick stops, great for security on the back of or on top of vehicles, and for other needs such as locking tools, gear, and more. OTTOLOCK HEXBAND. Wherever you go, bring peace of mind with you.
Number 7.
Hey, what's up? My name's John, and today I'm going to be talking about the KryptoLok 610S folding lock. The KryptoLok 610S folding lock is 100 centimeters in length and has 5mm hardened steel bars and washers. The bars are covered with a durable rubber coating to protect the bike frame, with the washers having an anti-rattle design for a smoother ride. It's rated 6 out of 10 on our security scale, making it a moderate security lock and eligible for our anti-theft protection offer. Don't forget, you have to register for the ATPO program on our website. The KryptoLok 610S folding lock is great for quick stops in metropolitan areas and suburbs, or for locking up for a couple of hours or all day in rural areas. As you'd expect from Kryptonite, the 610S is covered by our lifetime warranty and key safe program. If you register your keys with us online, we'll send you 2 free keys in the event you lose them. The KryptoLok 610S folds up to be very compact, making it simple to transport on a bike using the click-type bracket included. The click-type bracket makes it quick and easy to release the lock by simply pressing the side button to open. An audible click when placing the lock in the bracket confirms it's secured properly and that it's safe to start your commute. Now I'm going to talk to you about how to install the KryptoLok 610S folding lock click type bracket onto the bicycle frame. There are a couple of ways to mount this bracket. You can fit the bracket using the mounting straps included anywhere on the inside of the bike frame, or you can use the provided screws to mount on the braze-ons or water bottle mounts. We recommend using the braze-ons if available. When mounting only using the straps, find a location on the bike that won't interfere with anything else you have mounted or your pedal stroke. Make sure you're checking with the lock in the bracket. The lock head should always be pointing up or be level. Place the mounting straps through the mounting ports on the back of the click type bracket. Then add the rubber shim. Wrap the straps tightly around the bicycle frame so that the bracket is tight to the frame and does not move. Make sure the screw portion is opposite the mounting ports. Take a flathead screwdriver to guide the screws into the mounting strap holes and tighten until snug. Make sure the bracket is secured tightly and does not interfere with your pedal stroke, brake or shift functions. Feel free to trim the excess strap material with a pair of scissors. When mounting to the braze-ons, first remove any hardware. Check to ensure that the provided screws fit. If there are any issues, feel free to use the existing braze-on screws that came with your bike. Add the rubber shim to the back of the bracket. Mount the bracket to the braze-ons using the holes in the bracket. Place the washer on the screw and pass through the hole in the click-type bracket until it sits on the braze-on. Turn the screw a few times to ensure it is not cross-threaded. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the two provided screws through the bracket and into the bicycle frame until snug. The KryptoLok 610S folding lock, a flexible lock with 5mm hardened steel bars for stress-free secure lockups. It folds to be really compact in the click-type bracket included for trouble-free transit. A moderate security lock, great for locking up for a quick stop in a metropolitan area or suburbs, or for longer periods of time in rural areas. For more information, head to kryptoLok.com.
Number 6.
The APEX Ti by Altor redefines what security means for a bicycle. Built in the USA, utilizing grade 5 titanium material, the APEX Ti offers all the strength of a traditional steel lock with a fraction of the weight. A patented functional solution meets a beautiful design, resulting in the pinnacle of bike security. Order the APEX Ti now and get free shipping. Use the promo code on your screen and save even more. Visit altorlocks.com for more details.
Number 5. Number 4. Number 3.